Fix your blurry vision. Blurry vision is a common issue that affects people of all ages, often interfering with daily activities and reducing quality of life. It can result from various factors, including poor eye health, prolonged screen time, inadequate sleep, or underlying conditions such as diabetes or hypertension. Additionally, age-related changes like presbyopia or cataracts can contribute to vision problems. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned natural health educator, emphasizes holistic and natural approaches to restoring eye health. Her insights highlight the importance of addressing not just the symptoms, but also the root causes of blurry vision, such as poor nutrition, dehydration, or chronic stress. By adopting a balanced lifestyle, incorporating eye-friendly nutrients, and practicing simple yet effective habits, individuals can promote eye health naturally. Understanding and applying these methods can empower individuals to regain clarity, enhance their overall well-being, and reduce dependence on corrective lenses or medical interventions. Understanding blurry vision. Blurry vision occurs when the eyes lose their ability to focus clearly, leading to a reduced ability to perceive sharp and detailed images. This condition can develop gradually or suddenly, depending on the underlying cause. In addition to myopia, nearsightedness, hyperopia, farsightedness, and astigmatism, conditions such as presbyopia, a natural aging-related loss of near-focusing ability, are also common contributors. Other causes include prolonged exposure to harmful environmental factors like ultraviolet, UV rays, excessive digital screen time, and pollution, which can lead to oxidative stress and damage to eye tissues. Lifestyle factors such as smoking, poor diet, and insufficient hydration can exacerbate the problem. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes the importance of early detection and addressing the root causes of blurry vision to prevent complications like chronic eye strain or irreversible vision loss. Regular eye exams and proactive management are vital for maintaining clear vision and long-term eye health. The role of nutrition in eye health. Dr. O'Neill highlights the profound impact of nutrition on eye health, noting that the eyes are among the most metabolically active organs in the body and thus require a constant supply of essential nutrients. In addition to vitamins A, C, and E, beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, found in carrots and sweet potatoes, is crucial for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants found in spinach, kale, and eggs, are particularly important for protecting the macula, the central part of the retina, from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. Zinc, found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains, supports the transport of vitamin A from the liver to the retina, enhancing night vision and preventing dryness. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are critical for the development and maintenance of the retina and for reducing the risk of conditions such as macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. Hydration also plays a key role in preventing eye dryness and maintaining the quality of tear production. Incorporating a colorful variety of fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your diet provides the necessary building blocks to maintain optimal eye function and prevent common vision impairments. Hydration and its impact on vision. Dehydration can significantly affect the eyes, leading to dryness, irritation, and blurry vision. Tears, which are vital for eye lubrication, are composed primarily of water. Dr. O'Neill recommends drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to maintain adequate hydration. Proper hydration supports the production of tears, flushes out toxins, and ensures the smooth functioning of eye tissues. For those in dry environments, using a humidifier and staying mindful of fluid intake can further protect against eye dryness. Eye exercises for strengthening vision. Dr. O'Neill advocates for simple eye exercises to strengthen the eye muscles and improve focus. Techniques like the 20-20-20 rule, looking at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds every 20 minutes, help reduce eye strain from prolonged screen use. Palming, or covering the eyes with warm hands, relaxes the eye muscles. Rotational eye movements and focusing on near and distant objects can enhance eye flexibility and coordination. These exercises stimulate blood flow to the eyes and are particularly beneficial for individuals with desk jobs or students. The importance of rest and sleep. Proper rest is crucial for the regeneration and repair of eye tissues. Sleep allows the eyes to recover from the strain of daily activities, ensuring optimal functioning. Dr. O'Neill advises prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Lack of rest can lead to eye fatigue, puffiness, and dark circles, all of which contribute to blurry vision. Creating a sleep-friendly environment by reducing blue light exposure before bed and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can further enhance eye health, reducing eye strain in a digital world. In today's technology-driven environment, excessive screen time is a major cause of blurry vision. Symptoms like dryness, redness, and headaches are common among individuals experiencing digital eye strain. Dr. O'Neill suggests strategies such as adjusting screen brightness, using anti-glare screens, and maintaining a proper viewing distance to minimize strain. She also recommends blinking frequently to keep the eyes moisturized and practicing regular breaks to give the eyes time to relax. cataracts, detoxifying the body for clearer vision. Dr. O'Neill underscores the connection between a toxic body and eye health. Accumulated toxins can impair blood flow and lead to inflammation, negatively affecting the eyes. Detoxification through natural methods such as juicing, fasting, or herbal remedies can help remove toxins. Consuming detoxifying foods like garlic, ginger, and green tea supports liver health, which is closely linked to vision. Regular detoxification not only improves eye clarity, but also enhances overall well-being. The role of sunlight in vision improvement. Natural sunlight is essential for eye health, as it stimulates the production of essential hormones and vitamins. Exposure to sunlight helps the body synthesize vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyes. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes safe sun exposure during early morning or late afternoon hours to avoid UV damage. Practices like sun gazing, performed responsibly, can also help strengthen the eyes and improve vision. Managing stress for optimal eye health. Stress negatively affects the entire body, including the eyes. Chronic stress can lead to eye strain, twitching, and blurred vision. Dr. O'Neill highlights relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and spending time in nature to reduce stress levels. Engaging in hobbies, maintaining a positive outlook, and practicing gratitude can also alleviate stress. A stress-free lifestyle supports clear vision and overall mental and physical health. Natural remedies for blurry vision. Dr. O'Neill recommends several natural remedies to address blurry vision. Herbal teas like chamomile and eyebright soothe the eyes and reduce inflammation. Warm compresses improve blood circulation and relieve eye fatigue. Essential oils such as lavender and frankincense, when used cautiously, can promote relaxation and enhance eye health. Incorporating these remedies into your routine provides a gentle yet effective approach to managing blurry vision. Avoiding harmful substances. Caffeine, alcohol, and tobacco can have detrimental effects on eye health. These substances dehydrate the body, reduce blood flow to the eyes, and contribute to oxidative stress. Dr. O'Neill advises limiting or avoiding these substances to maintain clear vision and overall health. Replacing harmful habits with healthier alternatives like herbal teas, water, or fresh juices can significantly benefit eye health. The importance of regular eye checkups. Routine. Eye examinations are essential to detect and address underlying issues early. Conditions like glaucoma or diabetic retinopathy often progress silently, making regular checkups crucial for prevention. Dr. O'Neill encourages individuals to visit an eye specialist annually, even if no symptoms are present. Eye exams not only monitor vision but also provide insights into overall health, as certain systemic conditions manifest in the eyes first. Fixing blurry vision naturally is achievable through lifestyle changes, proper nutrition, and holistic practices. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's approach empowers individuals to take charge of their eye health and improve their quality of life. By incorporating her recommendations, you can achieve clearer vision, reduce dependency on corrective lenses, and enjoy enhanced overall well-being. Take small, consistent steps toward better vision and overall health. By prioritizing your well-being and adopting natural solutions, you can unlock the potential for a brighter and clearer future, both literally and figuratively. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.